Hi! In this video I want to show how to read the confusion matrix and also how to get the precision and recall out of it. So to start off, I trained the model on MRI scans of chests, and it's trying to classify them if you have COVID, if you have normal, meaning you don't have anything, or if you have viral pneumonia. I then ran a bunch of samples through this model, which I had trained, and see what it classified each sample as. And that's how we got this confusion matrix. So how you would read this confusion matrix is that for the COVID class, I classified it as COVID 9 times. I classified 2 of the COVID samples as normal, and I classified 1 of the COVID sample as viral pneumonia. Then we can just keep going up here. So for normal, I classified 0 as COVID, I classified 10 as normal, and 7 as viral pneumonia. So we're mixing up normal and viral pneumonia here a bit for the normal samples. We're almost 50-50 thinking it's one or the other. And for viral pneumonia, we only classified it as viral pneumonia. So how do we get precision and recall out of this? Precision attempts to answer the question, if I predict something as COVID, what's the chance of it actually being COVID? And in this case, we can see that 100% of the time, when I predict something as COVID, it is COVID. We don't predict it as normal or viral pneumonia, which means we have precision 100%. For viral pneumonia, on the other hand, we mix it up quite a lot. About 58% of the time, when we say it's viral pneumonia, it's actually nothing, it's normal. Recall attempts to answer the question of how many of the cases do we identify. If we look at viral pneumonia, for example, we identify all of them. We don't predict viral pneumonia as normal or as COVID, we only predict it as viral pneumonia. So we have recall of 100%. For normal, we have a little bit over 50% recall. We very often mix up normal and viral pneumonia. So when do you want to use precision and recall? Recall is really important if you want to make sure that you get every single case of something. If viral pneumonia is really bad and you need to know when someone has it, you never want to classify it as normal or as COVID. You want recall of 100%. Precision is the flip side of that. Precision is when you want 0 false alarms. For COVID, for example, well, if we say we have COVID, we will always know it is COVID. There is no false alarm. It's never going to be normal or viral pneumonia instead. And that's precision 100%. Everything else in the middle is just a mix of it. And precision and recall is often a tug of war, so you will have to balance it. And also make sure that you focus on the one that's important to you, so you can put more emphasis on that when you're training the model. Hope this taught you a bit about how precision, recall, and the confusion matrix works, and thank you for watching.